Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today fan we are going to talk about how can we off guys ultra power saving mode setting in a Tecno mobile phones. You want to off your phone ultra power saving mode setting. So how can you off it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you can see guys, you have this type of setting, this ultra power saving mode setting guys. You want to off, so you can off. So how can we off guys? First of all guys, on your screen, and friends you can see guys this quiet option guys, tap here. Friends you can see, are you sure to quiet your ultra power saving mode setting, cancel and okay guys, tap on right side okay, and friends come back. So friends you can see guys this setting will off, means ultra power saving mode setting will off in a Tecno mobile guys. We cannot use, if we use so we will have to on again it, we will have to give permission, then guys we can use this ultra power saving mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to off ultra power saving mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.